Hi students, I hope all will be fine. Be safe and stay home. So daily hereafter we will be uploading the videos. Daily go through the videos and start to learn. So grade 3 science. First lesson is living and non-living things. Living and non-living things. Do you know what is the difference between living and non-living things? So that's what we are going to learn in this lesson. Clear ma? Yes. Fine. So see, some pictures are there. Okay. So star, plants, dice, elephant, aeroplane, ant, balloon, butterfly, ship. So these pictures you have to take the things which is living and cross which is the non-living things. Clear ma? So here star is a non-living thing. Star, dice, balloon and ship, aeroplane. Okay, so these things don't have life. அதுக்கெல்லாம் என்னது life இல்லை. But elephant, plant and butterflies, they have life. Clear ma? Yes. So the first one, we can observe many things: sun, moon, plants, trains, buildings. So these are some natural things, okay, which are occurring naturally. The sun, star, plants and animals are example of natural things, okay. But things like buildings, roads, cars and trains are human made things, okay. So the sun, moon, some natural things are there and some man made things are there. So natural things are given by nature, but human made things are made by the humans. Now we are going to see the difference between living and non-living things. There are some few characteristics. What are they in sense? Movement, growth, reproduction, need for food, sensing the changes, taking breaths. So what are the characteristics of living things? Movement, yes, same. Movement, growth, reproduction, need for food, sensing the changes and taking breaths. Let us learn what are these characteristics saying. Yes, living things move. We will be moving from one place to another place. Yes or no ma? Will we move on from one place to another place? Yes. Animals will move from one place to another place? Yes. Will the chair able to move from one place to another place? No. Okay. So living things are moving from one place to another. Living things ஒரு இடத்துல இருந்து இன்னொரு இடத்துக்கு போகுது. What purpose they are moving? For searching the food, shelter or to protect themselves from enemies. Okay. So that ability, okay, so the living things has the ability from, அதாவது அதுக்கு வந்து ஒரு எபிலிட்டி இருக்குது. லிவிங் திங்ஸ்க்கு ஒரு எபிலிட்டி இருக்குது, ஓகேவா. தட் இஸ் மூவிங் ஃப்ரம் ஒன் பிளேஸ் டு அனதர் பிளேஸ். அந்த எபிலிட்டி, தட் எபிலிட்டி நேம் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் லொகோமோஷன். That ability name is called as locomotion. So animals also move from one place to another place. Yes or no? Yes. For example, walking, running, swimming, jumping, flying and hopping. So what is that hopping? நொண்டி அடிக்கிறோம், நொண்டி விளையாடுறோம்னு சொல்கிறோம்ல, that is called as hopping. In sense, to move from one place to another. Clear ma? Yes. So now see, but plants do not show movement. That is, plant can't able to move from one place to another place. So now you can ask, is the plant a living thing or non-living thing? Yes, plants also a living thing. Okay, it can feel, it can sense, it is growing. So plant is a living thing. Some plants, all the plants won't show the movement, but some plants, that is touch me not, mimosa, that plant name is mimosa. touch me not அப்படின்னா என்னது? தொட்டாஞ்சினிங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. நம்ம தொட்டோன்னா என்ன ஆகும்? அந்த லீவ்ஸ் எல்லாம் அப்படியே சுருங்கிடும். இட் வில் பி க்ளோஸ்ட். எஸ் ஆர் நோ? எஸ். அண்ட் த சன்ஃப்ளவர். ஸோ சன்ஃப்ளவர், வாட் இட் வில் பி சேயிங்? It will be turning according to the sun. Yes or no, ma? Yes, it will be moving. So wherever the sun is moving, in which direction it is moving, the sunflower also, it turns its head. Yes, yes. So living things move by themselves, but we can't, the table, chair, door, house, it can't able to move. Yes or no? Yes. So next is living things grow. Living things grow. So living things, each and everything, for example, if you are taking us human being itself, we are taking a first, we will be a baby, then we will start to walk, run, talk, etc. Then we will be moving to school, then we will be moving to college. So we are growing up. Yes or no, ma? Yes. So for example, if you are taking a plant, so first seed, next it will be a small stem and leaves will be growing, then it will be moving stage by stage. Yes or no? Yes. So the same thing for a hen or for the animals also. Yes or no? Yes. So the living things will grow. Will the non-living things grow? No. Okay, what is the shape? அது என்ன ஷேப்போ அப்படியே தான் இருக்கும். It will be the same shape till the last. Clear? So the living things grow and non-living things does not grow. Okay, so I said no. See that picture, child grows into an adult and baby seed grows into a plant. Like that, egg will be growing, egg from that egg chick will be coming, and the chick will be growing as a hen or cock. Okay, so next is living things reproduce. Reproduce in sense giving birth to the other thing. Okay, while living things are capable of producing babies of their own kind by a process called reproduction. For example, human beings, that is people, humans, animals, cats, dogs will give the babies. Okay, but birds lay eggs. So from that egg we will be getting a new hen, bird, or etc. Okay, next, the produced young ones by living things mostly resemble their parents. ஸோ இப்போ புதுசாக ஒரு குழந்தை பிறந்திருக்கு அப்படின்னா, வாட் தே வில் பி திங்கிங், தே வில் பி சேயிங் he or she is looking like a father, mother, இல்லை grandparents. They will be saying or no? Yes, the same thing. So a new thing is coming out now, it will be looking like their parents. Clear, ma? Yes. So plants produce seeds that later develop into a new plants. So I said now human begins, everything like cat, dogs is giving birth to another one. But what the plants they will be doing? For example, if you are taking mango, okay, all like mango? Yes. So inside the mango, what will be there? மாங்காக்குள்ள என்ன இருக்கும்? What will be there? Yes, seeds. Okay, so after eating that mango flesh, we will be throwing the seeds. Yes or no? So that from that seed a new mango tree will be grown. Okay, so plants give reproduction through the seeds. Next, will the toy car everything give a new birth? No. So non-living things do not reproduce. So living things need food. So why we need food? Will we feel hungry? Namak pasikuma? Yes. So pasikranala, what we will be doing? We will be taking the food. Yes. So for what we are taking food? எதுக்காக நம்ம ஃபுட்லாம் சாப்பிட்றோம்? For growth and getting energy. So like the same, animals also need food. Plants also need food. Okay. So each and everything they are producing the food by themselves. Okay. How the plants they are taking the food? In the presence of sunlight, air and water. Okay, ma? So plant is the primary source of food. Plant is the primary source of food. Clear? So next is living things feel. Living things feel. For example, if you are touching the heat object, heat things, what we will be doing? சூடாக ஏதாவது தட்டுட்ட இல்லை அப்படின்னா ஒரு பின்னோ இல்லை முள்ளோ something is pricking you, what we will be doing? We will be shouting at once. So we can able to feel like the same thing animals also. Yes or no? Yes. So then we can feel the temperature. So yes or no, we can able to feel the changes in temperature if we are moving in the sunlight and coming inside the house. How our body will be? வெயில போயிட்டு வீட்டுக்குள்ள வரும்போது எப்படி இருக்கும்? நம்ம பாடி எல்லாம் சூடா இருக்குமா? Yes. So our sense organ can able to feel the changes: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Okay, what the plants will be doing? The plants lack sense organs. They can easily feel the changes. Yes or no? For example, if we didn't pour water to the plant, what will happen? Every parts, that is leaves will be grown, they won't give the fruits, seeds, etc. Yes or no? That is the change in the plant. That is the feeling in the plant. Living things breathe. Are we breathing? How we are breathing? Through our nose. Yes or no, ma? Yes. So the entire process of taking in fresh air and giving out used air is called breathing. So breathing na enadhu? Fresh air உள்ளேயே எடுத்துட்டு வெளியே கொடுக்கறதுக்கு பேர் தான் என்னது? Breathing. Okay, so all living things need air to breathe. Okay, but plants, what they will be doing? So in plants there will be small hole. Okay, a tiny pores, that is called as tiny pores, called stomata. So through that only it is breathing. Clear? So some more insects in sense, frogs breathe through their skin. So now we are having nose. Yes or no, ma? Yes. So through nose we are breathing. So plants, they are breathing by stomata. A small hole will be there. That hole is called as stomata. Okay. So frogs, it breathe through their skin. And insects such as cockroaches breathe through numerous air holes which are found along the sides of the body. Now see here. So how we are breathing? Through the nose. So some plants by the stomata, some insects through their skin, fish through their gills. Okay, so have you ever seen books, tables are breathing? Definitely no. Books, tables, chair, no, nothing will be having the breathe. Now see the difference between living and non-living things. So the first one, it will be moving from one place to another place. Yes or no? Living things will move from one place to another place, but non-living things does not move. Okay, then grow up to a certain height, do not grow. Living things reproduce, non-living things do not reproduce. Living things need energy and growth, but non-living things no need. Living things feel things or changes around them, but non-living things do not feel. Living things can breathe, but non-living things can't able to breathe. See some new words, learn that.
So students, in this class you might have learned about the difference between living and non-living things. Remaining we will be seeing in the next class. Thank you.